Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. For today's video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT on iPhone. To download the app, go to your phone App Store and search for ChatGPT. Make sure this one with this logo is the app that you will download, the official ChatGPT app. Once the app is already downloaded, the app will reflect on your phone. Make sure that you sign up for ChatGPT account. Let's try to open it and try to generate something. Let's say lyrics of Taylor Swift's song. And it worked. And that is how you download ChatGPT on iPhone. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!